Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be making a highly requested tutorial on how to import custom heads into Jibbers. So let's start. First of all, you're going to go into the Discord server, and we're going to head on over to textures. We're going to find the head swap that we want to use. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Now I will download all of the flat files that look flat. So right click, save image. Right click, save image, right click, save image, and right click, save image. Now, the next step is we're going to download the DAT files that come with as well. So in my case, it's this one, the helmet and goggles DAT. Save, and in some rare cases, it's going to come with an empty DAT as well. So we're going to download that. And we can go ahead and minimize Discord. And we can go ahead and open Uabia Avalonia. And then we're going to click File, Open, Shared Assets 1. And then we're going to be in here. So we're going to go to Collider Cloth, tap that once, and then Edit Data. Here where it says Opaque, we're going to change that to Transparent. Make sure that the T is big and that there's no spelling mistakes, because if there are, it won't work. Now we're gonna scroll down to underscore C right, which is here, and we're gonna change the 1 to a 0, and then we're gonna find this. It should be right underneath C right, and we're gonna change 0 float A where it says 1 to 0, like that. And we're gonna do the same with this one. So 0 float A equals 1. We're gonna change 1 to 0, and then we can click OK. Now the next step is we're gonna do exactly the same with Collider Skin. So Collider Skin, edit data, transparent. We're gonna scroll on down to C right, 0, and in some cases it will already say 0 float A equals 0 in both color and base color on Collider Skin, but that's okay. So we're gonna click OK when you have done it to both of them. Now we're gonna scroll down to path ID 40. It should be called no ears 0.006 for people who haven't already imported a custom head mesh. But yeah, so we're gonna select this and we're gonna click import raw. Now we're gonna select the helmet and goggles DAT file, which is the mesh file which contains like the head. So we're gonna select this and it's gonna be imported. Now in my case, in this head, we're gonna have to do path ID 41 and 33 as well. So we're gonna select path ID 33 first, and we're gonna click import raw. Now we're gonna select the empty DAT file, and we're gonna select the plain 002 DAT file, which is path ID 41. Now click import raw and click the empty DAT. After you have done all this, you're gonna click file and then save. Now you can go ahead and close out of Uabia. And now we're gonna go ahead and open Windows plus R. So our run application opens, and we're gonna type percentage app data percentage. This will open up, and we're gonna select Jibbers and then textures. For those who doesn't have this folder or this, need to check out my other tutorial on how to get these. But people who have done that, we can go ahead and into our next step. So we're gonna select helmet, and we're gonna create a new folder called whatever you want the head to be called. So in my case, it's gonna be helmet and goggles. Now that we're in here, we can drag this to the side, and we can open up a new file explorer. We're gonna go into our downloads, and we're gonna select all the flat textures that we selected or downloaded. Now that we have them in here, we can close that. And in my case, these are already called roughness and base and stuff like that. But if they're not already called roughness and base, you need to type them roughness, normal, metallic, and base. It's important to write them all in lowercase and correctly, otherwise it won't work. So once we have done that, we can go ahead and close out of this and click play. Once we have opened Jibbers, we can go ahead and go to customize and then gear. And we're gonna go to helmet, and then we're gonna select the folder that we just created. And that's it. Now you have the helmet in game. I hope you all enjoyed this video and understood everything. But if you didn't understand, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.